Sealing criminal convictions. Having a criminal record can affect nearly every part of your life, long after any sentence is over. From job rejections to housing denials, a past conviction can follow you everywhere. In New York, however, sealing your criminal record may be a way to break free from these limitations. Understanding how this process works, and whether you're eligible, is the first step toward a second chance. New York law does not allow expungement, but it does offer sealing. The Clean Slate Act and Criminal Procedure Law Section 160.59 gives some individuals the opportunity to seal criminal convictions, potentially transforming their ability to move forward with life. A knowledgeable lawyer can help navigate these options. What the law says about sealing convictions. The Clean Slate Act, which took effect on November 16, 2024, allows for the automatic sealing of certain conviction records in New York. Eligible records will generally be sealed within 3 years of that date, though law enforcement, courts, and specific agencies will still retain access. The law also applies to certain types of employment and licensing background checks, particularly where public safety or vulnerable populations are involved. Not all offenses are eligible. Class A felonies, sex offenses, and many violent crimes are excluded. Additionally, a person must not be on parole or probation and must not have any open charges to qualify for sealing. Sealing under C.P.L. Section 160.59 is different in that it requires an application to the court. The process is detailed and includes gathering official court documents, writing a sworn statement, and submitting the full request to both the court and district attorney. Does sealing a conviction remove it from your record in New York? No, sealing a conviction does not erase it. It restricts public access but still allows certain parties to view the record. These include law enforcement, prosecutors, immigration officials, and agencies involved in licensing or investigations. For most employers, landlords, and schools, the sealed record will be hidden, offering critical privacy and relief from discrimination. While sealing can limit the damage of a criminal record, it doesn't remove it entirely. That's why the process must be handled carefully. An experienced attorney can help make sure your petition is properly prepared and supported, especially since prosecutors can object and judges have discretion to deny the request. Understanding the sealing process in New York. To begin sealing a conviction in New York, an application must be made to the same court where the conviction occurred. You can request the sealing of up to 2 eligible convictions, or more if they were part of the same incident. You must have been crime-free for at least 10 years after your last conviction or release from incarceration. The judge will review your request, and if the district attorney objects, a hearing may be required. All relevant records, including a certificate of disposition and personal statement, must be submitted. If the application meets legal standards and no objections arise, the judge may grant the request without a hearing. If objections are raised or if the judge finds it necessary, a hearing will be held to determine whether sealing is appropriate. The law firm of Jason Bassett, P.C., helps guide clients through each step, ensuring that documentation is correct and advocating for a successful outcome. A lawyer with knowledge of this area of law can make the difference between rejection and a fresh start. A path forward. Though expungement isn't available in New York, other tools like a certificate of relief from disabilities or a certificate of good conduct can help those not eligible for sealing. These do not hide the conviction but can restore lost rights and reduce legal barriers in employment and licensing. If you're dealing with the consequences of a criminal record, there may still be hope. Let an experienced attorney explain your legal options and build a strategy to reclaim your future. Reach out today to explore how sealing a conviction could change your life. The law offices of Jason Bassett, P.C. is ready to help. Call 631-259-6060 or visit us at 320 Carleton Avenue, number 4200, Central Islip, New York, 11722.